4 tips to turn cold leads into paying customers using Facebook ads. In this presentation, you're going to learn how you can turn cold leads or people who don't know your business into paying customers just by using Facebook ads. Selling products or services to a cold audience is difficult. These people don't know who you are, they don't have a relationship with you, and they don't trust you yet. But with the right strategy, you can turn your cold leads into warm and hot leads. Here's how. 1. Choose the right advertising objective. There are quite a few objectives to choose from on Facebook ads. But when targeting a cold audience, it's best to choose either brand awareness or reach to help generate interest for your business. Remember, this is probably the first time they've heard of your business, so you have to take them by the hand and introduce your brand. Getting too aggressive by selling something to them the first time will turn them off your brand. 2. Produce content that shows you're an expert in your field. Promoting information blog posts, case studies, white papers, and other similar valuable content, and positioning your brand as an industry leader will work wonders for your business. People will appreciate the value you're offering for free and would be more willing to open up their wallets for your products and services. 3. Show proof that your product works. Testimonials and how-to videos are popular among cold audiences. If you've got a good product, showing proof that it actually works is good stuff. This is why video ads perform better than standard text ads. In videos, people can see your product in action. If your product is priced competitively, people will be more than happy to buy from you. 4. Let your audience get to know you so they'll trust you. There are plenty of businesses advertising on Facebook right now, but not everyone gets personal with their audience. Sure, they'll put up a nice ad using stock photos and videos, but putting on a behind-the-scenes video or anything that proves you are who you say you are is so much better. Even those who've never heard of your brand before will become curious about you and will read up on your business. Showing them who you and your team are will engage your audience and convince them you're not going to be running away with their money.